another journey on the path to the unbreakable you. Throughout our lives, we are taught many things to ensure our survival. We are taught how to read, how to write, how to use a computer, how to cook and use household appliances, and how to drive a car. We spend 10 to 20 years in school and college preparing to earn a living. However, if we are going to create the highest version of ourselves and thrive in life and not just survive and create real inner happiness, we also need to better understand how our mind works and how to use our mind to transcend the four toxins and create the highest version of ourselves. Understanding how your mind works will give you a significant edge in life. When you slow down and quiet your mind and really think about what the human mind has accomplished throughout human history and what it is capable of doing, it is really quite extraordinary what this amazing tool that we all possess can do. When you really think about the power and ability of the human mind, it is easy to see that we have been given this amazing tool to create the highest version of ourselves. Why would our Creator and nature give us such an amazing power and tool and ability? We are not given such a powerful, extraordinary tool for it to sit stagnant or for it to be limited by skin color or our man-made race. You and no one on this wonderful planet were born to have your mind and power limited by the false man-made construct of race, skin color, and or the downward pull by those in your community and people throughout the world whose self-concepts have been damaged by the construct of race and racism. No matter what man-made race you are, and no matter what your skin color, you are far more powerful than any of the four toxins. No matter how poor you are, how dark your skin, or what your gender, man-made race, or nationality are. When your beliefs in your subconscious mind match your genetic structure, you will have an unbreakable, powerful self-concept that is capable of giving you the confidence, answers, and attracting the people and resources you need to create everything you desire in life. Yes, I said everything. This doesn't mean that you will be free of pain, problems, or difficulties. It just means that you will be better prepared to happily achieve and overcome the problems and setbacks of your life more quickly and keep driving forward. These kind of setbacks and challenges of life will not take away your confidence, courage, self-love that you need to create an authentic life. The kind of life that will create the real happiness you desire. So let's take a look at how the human mind works so you can better use it to overcome the four toxins and anything else negative in your life. To better understand how the human mind works, you must understand that the brain is not the mind. The brain is an organ that gives you access to the mind, much like your lungs give you access to air. The mind and brain work together, much like an information cloud does with your computer. The cloud exists outside of the computer, and your computer can pull information from the cloud or put information into the cloud. The mind and brain work together in a similar fashion. The brain pulls information from the mind and puts information into the mind. The mind then stores the information at different levels and in different files. The mind is also connected to powerful universal laws and principles. And some believe our minds have the access to all the thoughts that human beings have ever had. And this makes up the human imagination. Think of your brain as an operational center. a software used to command our body, our emotions, behaviors, and our focus. The brain follows the orders of the mind. Simply put, think of the human mind as being outside of the body, with access to all of the knowledge and wisdom of the universe in it. And the brain has a tool that makes use out of this information. Most psychologists and neuroscientists believe there are 3 levels of the human mind: the conscious mind, the subconscious mind, and the unconscious mind. These levels of our mind work together in unison or are fragmented and are working against each other. New science also tells us that the subconscious mind and the unconscious mind are the same. The unconscious mind is just a deeper level of the subconscious mind. So I will only use the conscious and subconscious mind during our overview of how the human mind works.